This is Cyndy G, and in this video we're going to assemble the perfume box. And I am going to start by putting on all of my panel pieces because I think they'll be easier to put on while it's laying flat. You're just going to have a small border all the way around your pieces. So I've chosen this glittery silver to kind of represent a crystal stopper in my bottle, for my bottle. I hope that that is what it feels like when you see it. There we are. And now I'm just going to take my time and go around and make the sides. Okay. And then we're just going to glue this down. Okay, so we have the stopper done. Now we can pull in our pieces here. There's two pieces. We have the bottom part of our box, which I'm going to go ahead and put together now. And I believe before I put it together, I'm going to put these panels on. One of these is the top. Let's be this. These are the side panels. I have to decide which I want my pattern to go the right direction. So I don't think it's going to matter here on the side. All right. So for the bottom part of the box, the only part of the box that will be showing are these two short ends, okay? So those are the only panels that are going to go on the bottom of the box. Okay. So the bottom of the box is in two pieces. Okay. Okay. And then I'm just going to slide my bone folder in here. Make sure that I've got that. So this is the bottom of my box, and now this is the lid. So I'm going to go ahead and put my panels on. Want to make sure my pattern is going the same direction on both pieces. And then we have the label. And now I'm going to try, hopefully it won't be too hard to glue my sides, because this will be so much easier to glue on if I can press it on. So I'm hoping that I'm not making a mistake putting this on now. I'm going to hold it here for a few seconds. And now yeah, that wasn't too bad. It's not in the way, so that was a and then glue the sides. Okay, so that is a pretty quick and simple box. It's getting, there we go. And that is the perfume box. Thank you for joining me.